So I'm on the Lapenteur Memorial Road, L14. I just crossed the Harrison County line. I found me a bull snake. I think it's a bull snake. I know it's alive because I saw it tense up a little bit when I stopped, but yeah, there it moved. Heh. I know they're not dangerous, but I don't want to make it move, so I just hope it doesn't get run over. So I wanted to stop for a moment so I didn't have to eat the dust of that truck carrying a round bale for a minute, but also I wanted to explain where I'm at. I know you guys can't see it through video, but Interstate 29 from Omaha to Sioux Falls runs right over there, and I'm somewhere between Council Bluffs and Ottawa, Iowa right now. So when you're on I29 and you look east, these are those hills that you're seeing. And yeah, it takes longer to get through here, but what would you rather be doing? I mean, yeah, sometimes you got to make time, but if I don't have to be somewhere at a set time, you know I'm going to be back in these hills.